morning, students. Today we will discuss about the pair of linear equations. We will discuss about whether the pair of linear equations are consistent or inconsistent. So here we have two equations, and in which we have to find about the pair of linear equation whether they are consistent or inconsistent. Here we have exercise 3.2. Question number 4, first part. We have first equation x plus y equal to 5. Here we have x plus y equal to 5. So x plus y minus 5 equal to 0. This 5 will come to the left hand side and it will become negative. Now we will compare this equation with a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0. On comparing, the coefficient of x is 1, so a1 equal to 1, b1 equal to 1 and c1 equal to minus 5. Student, here we got the coefficient by comparing the equation with a1x plus b1y plus c1. Again we have second equation 2x plus 2y equal to 10. This is the second equation, 2x plus 2y equal to 10. So students, this 10 will come to the left hand side, 2x plus 2y minus 10 equal to 0. ये left hand side में आएगा 10 और ये negative हो जाएगा. Now again we will compare this equation with a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. इसके साथ हम कंपेयर करेंगे a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. On comparing we have a2 equal to 2, b2 equal to 2 and c2 equal to minus 10. यहाँ से जब हम कंपेयर करेंगे तो a2 2 आएगा, b2 will be 2 and c2 equal to minus 10. Now we have the coefficient a1 b1 c1 and a2 b2 c2. Now what we have to do, we have to find a1 upon a2. हम a1 upon a2 find करेंगे. This is 1 upon 2. Then we will find b1 upon b2. What is b1? b1 is 1 and b2 is 2. Then we will find c1 upon c2. c1 is minus 5 and c2 is minus 10. So minus and minus are cancelled out and we have 1 upon 2 now. Now what we see, क्या देखते हैं हम, a1 upon a2 equal to b1 upon b2 equal to c1 upon c2. It means the lines they coincide each other and they have infinitely many solutions. And if they have infinitely many solutions, so they are consistent. So the pair of equation is consistent. So here we have the equations. We find a1 b1 c1, a2 b2 c2, the coefficients of x, y and the constant term, and then we find the ratios a1 upon a2, b1 upon b2, c1 upon c2, and we see that the ratios are equal, and if the ratios are equal, the pair of equation is consistent because they have infinitely many solutions. The lines are coincident to each other. Now student, we move to question 5. Next question, you can take the screenshot of this question for the further use. Now we solve question number 5. Now we solve question number 5. We are given that half the perimeter of a rectangular garden half the perimeter of a rectangular garden, half the perimeter of a rectangular garden half the perimeter of a rectangular garden whose length is 4 more than its width, whose length is 4 more than its width, whose length is 4 more than its width, is 36 meter, is 36 meter, and find the dimensions of the garden. Find the dimensions. Find the dimensions of the garden. Find the dimensions of the garden. Solution. We have a rectangular garden. This is a rectangular garden whose length is 4 more than its width. Let the width of the rectangular garden is y, or we can also take width x also can be taken, x, and the length will be x plus 4. Let the width of the garden equal to x. So the length of the garden equal to x plus 4, because the length is 4 more than the width. Here we have taken that width of the garden is x, so the length will be x plus 4. And one more thing, according to question we are given that half the perimeter of the garden is equal to 36 meter. Half the perimeter of the garden equal to 36 meter. Half the perimeter 1/2, तो गार्डन की जो perimeter होगी वो होगी 2 into length plus breadth equal to 30. ऐसे 2 से 2 कैंसिल हो जाएगा. So L plus B. What is L? Length is x plus 4. What is breadth? Breadth is x, 36. Now x plus x will be 2x plus 4 equal to 36, and 2x equal to 36 minus 4. 2x equal to 32 and x equal to 32 upon 2. यहाँ पे x आएगा 32 upon 2, and this will be cancelled out. x equal to 16. यहाँ पे हमारे पास वैल्यू आई 16. So width of the garden will be 16 and the length will be 16 plus 4, that will be 20. So width equal to 16 meter and length equal to 16 plus 4 equal to 20 meter. This is the answer. So students, for more videos watch the channel, like, subscribe also. Thank you.